Hey guys, it's your girl Amoy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. I really need to stop doing that, but I don't know, I just can't. And something went into my eye. Anyways guys, today I am back with another video, and this time I'll be showing you guys my skincare routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a DIY mask of what I will put on my face, you know, to get it looking a little bit glowy, a little bit fresh, a little bit rehydrated, and to get rid of these spots that are here, because I don't have acne, but I have bumps that come up every now and then, especially when it's that time of the time of the month. So I have bumps come up on this side, so there's always little spots on this side of my face. Also, I have eczema and I've been eating a lot of cheese lately, so I have like dry patches right here where there's like a lot of dry skin. So I'm gonna show you guys how I go ahead and get rid of that and have my face looking nice and fresh. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have my bowl and I went outside and cut a piece of aloe vera. I'm gonna add the aloe vera gel as well as the aloe vera parts itself to the container. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey. And yes, it's in a little liquor bottle, but guys, it's honey. Once I add my honey, I'm gonna just go ahead and mix that around a little, and then I'm gonna add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. But anyways guys, I'm gonna mix that around, and I didn't have my coconut oil with me, so once I'm downstairs like I am now doing this video, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pure Jamaican virgin coconut oil. I actually bought this at my workplace. They had a expo there for basically persons who has like their own business to go ahead and showcase what they have. So I picked this up at my workplace. I don't know if they have a Instagram or anything. I think they should. I'll go ahead and leave it on the screen or leave it in the description box once I know, but I didn't get one of those paper with their company info. However, I think this is like made at home. It's 100% organic raw coconut oil. But yeah, this is how it looks. It is in a little bottle, like I said, you know, real Jamaican style. If I use this for everything, yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a few tablespoons of this into my mask, because they said that it was really good for like health benefits and stuff like that. And you know, I wanted to go ahead and try it and let y'all know what I think about it. And I'm gonna take my dropper tool. I don't really know how much I'll be putting. I just don't really want. I'll put like 2 of these drops. Hope you guys can see it. It's like that. But yeah, I'm gonna put 2 drops of that in. So now that I have that, this is what my mixture looks like so far, and I'm just gonna mix in the coconut oil. This is actually how the mixture looks. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush, and I actually use this skin color brush whenever I'm applying my face mask. I don't know why. I don't have a specific reason why. I just, yeah. So I'll go ahead and apply that. And let's see. I think I need to put my hair back because I don't want that going into my hair. And this smells very strong, like very turmeric. You can smell that turmeric powder. Oh gosh. Alright, so this is how my face is looking. I just finished applying the mask, and I'm going to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it off, and you guys will see. I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and as you can see, my timer has started. And once it's finished, then I'll be back to you guys all. Alright guys, so I am back, and this is how my face is looking. Bear in mind that once you're washing your face, you're washing off the turmeric. Go ahead and scrub the turmeric into your skin so it can act as a scrub. So the powder has like fine grains in it, so once you go ahead and massage that into your skin, massage your skin with that, and it will get rid of all the dead skins that are on your face. It will act as a scrub. Once you're finished with that, then go ahead and rinse it off and apply your usual face wash. Just go ahead and get rid of all that turmeric to make sure there's no yellow on your face, because you don't want yellow to still be on your face and it got probably lay down on your sheet. Like me, I have white sheets, and then I go lay down on my white sheet and there's like turmeric on my sheet. Like, no. So go ahead, use your face wash to go ahead and make sure you get rid of all that turmeric residue and honey and everything that was on your face. And yeah, that's it. So that's what I did. This is how my face. Now that that's done, what I'm going to do to add a little bit more moisture back into my skin is I'm going to go ahead and take my coconut oil, and I'm going to add a few drops of that. And because it's like coconut oil, it's not too oily for your skin, so I'll go ahead and add a few drops of that to my face. That should be good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that into my skin. And that is it. That's literally it, guys. You can go ahead and add the coconut oil back to your face to replenish your face, to rehydrate your face once more. Or if you have a face lotion that you like to use, then you could go ahead and add that just the same. But this is it for you guys. My face look really smooth. It feels like a baby's bum, like, no lie. My face feels super smooth. There's no dead skin up here, there's no dry skin up there. As you can see, my face look a little bit more glowy. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and go ahead and share this video with a friend, with your mother, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister. Everybody wants good skin, and it can help out a lot of persons. So go ahead and share this video. And yeah, help your girl get to 3,000 subscribers. Let me know what you want to see next. I was thinking about doing one of those 24 hours eating whatever color food, probably like yellow food only or red food only or something like that. If that's something that you guys are interested in, then let me know and I'll go ahead and do that. I probably will be doing it this weekend, however, or next weekend. However, if it's something that you guys want to see, but let me know, yeah. Or let me know what color food you'd like to see me try in the description down below, because I'm gonna do the video regardless. So let me know what color food you want me to eat for 24 hours. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.